Apollo Control, Houston, 2 minutes, 50 seconds away from time of LOS now. Our distance away from the moon, 460 nautical miles. Velocity, 7417 feet per second. Here in Mission Control, we're standing by. There's certainly a great deal of anxiety at this moment. We acquire at 36 minutes. So at 68 hours, 55 minutes, continuing to monitor. This is Apollo Control. So at this time, we're going to stand by and continue to monitor the loops here in Mission Control for our go, no-go decision. One minute, 30 seconds away now from loss of signal. Our distance away from the moon now, 401 nautical miles. Velocity reading 7535 as we continue with this flight of Apollo 8.
Apollo 8 Houston, 1 minute to LOS, all systems go.
Flight control team here in Mission Control has examined the data and it looks good. So we have a combined crew ground decision. We are go, repeat go for lunar orbit insertion 1.
Apollo 8, 10 seconds to go, your go all the way. Roger. Thanks a lot, troops. See you on the other side.
We've had loss of a signal with Apollo 8 at 68 hours, 58 minutes, 45 seconds. We will watch with continuing interest the AOS clock here in Mission Control. They're traveling over the backside of the moon now. Our velocity reading here, 7777 feet per second. Now we're in our period of longest wait, continuing to monitor. This is Apollo Control, Houston. Apollo Control, Houston, we've acquired signal, but no voice contact yet. We're standing by. We're looking at engine data and it looks good. Tank pressures look good.
Apollo 8, this is Houston, over. Roger, Houston, we read you loud and clear. How do you read us?
We've got it. Apollo 8 now in in lunar orbit. There's a cheer in this room. This is Apollo Control Houston, switching now to the voice of Jim Lovell.
60.5, good to hear your voice.
The unmanned lunar orbiter spacecraft traversed the moon perhaps over 10,000 times, but this is the first that a man aboard reported to his compatriots here on Earth.
You find yourself alone. Sometimes, without a home, no protection. You don't know which way to go. You're lost, no direction. Then suddenly, out of the blue, some kind of magic comes to you. You don't know how, you don't know why, but someday gonna take off, fly, 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 fly. My wish would be to be free, to be wild, to be just like a child. If I get lost, I really don't mind, 'cause I'm free, doing just fine. You're out in the cold, sometimes as far as you can see, misty. You want to run into the sun. The road is lost,